I'm Rena from Rena.ca, and this is how to make dough smooth and elastic-like. Bread making is an absolute art, and when you end up with dough like this, it's not going to rise, it's not going to be fluffy in texture. So you want to find out how can you make it smooth and elastic. There's a couple different tricks that you can use. First of all, your flour. Use the right flour. If possible, use bread flour because this is going to give you a great consistency. You're going to have to experiment with the amount of flour and the amount of water in your recipe because you don't want to add too much flour. Too much flour will keep the dough from rising, and too little flour will just make a mess in your kitchen. So make sure that you add just the right amount of flour so that when you poke your finger in, it springs back up. Another great trick is yeast. Keep your yeast in the fridge. For years, I had bread dough that wouldn't rise and finally realized that it was because my yeast was dead. Once I started storing my yeast in the refrigerator, I found that it rose every time. So, once you've mixed all of your dough, check to make sure that it is smooth and elastic. Take your bread dough and take a piece of it and stretch it out. If it slowly starts to stretch out, it is ready to use. This is called the window pane trick. If it rips apart, it tears apart, then you need to add more water. But if it's too liquidy, that's when you add more flour. Make sure that you use it right away after it has risen. If you let it sit too long, you will get a hard coating on top. It's still usable, but you have to cut off the hard coating and then you might be able to use the dough underneath. But for perfect dough, use it right away. Make sure that it is elastic and pliable and ready to use. If you find that you aren't getting the dough consistency that you want, take the dough and wrap it in plastic and put it in your refrigerator for an hour. Take it out, and often with the condensation and the temperature, you will have the perfect dough. And that's how you get smooth, elastic dough every time. I'm Rena from Rena.ca.